Nature is a boundless source of inspiration for the human spirit. Its beauty, resilience, and timeless wisdom offer valuable lessons for living a fulfilling life. As we immerse ourselves in the serene embrace of nature, we discover profound insights. In the tranquility of a forest, we learn the art of stillness and inner peace. The resilience of a tiny flower growing through a crack in the pavement teaches us the power of determination and perseverance. Nature's ever-changing seasons remind us that change is a natural part of life, urging us to adapt gracefully. The simplicity of a sunrise or the sound of rain on leaves reminds us to cherish the present moment and be mindful. Observing the interconnectedness of all life forms, from bees pollinating flowers to ecosystems in perfect balance, emphasizes our responsibility to protect and nurture our world. Nature is not just a place to visit. It is a constant source of inspiration that can guide us towards a more meaningful and harmonious existence. It teaches us to appreciate life's beauty, embrace change, and live in harmony with our surroundings, inspiring us to be better, more conscious individuals